Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Hilda. Today I'm going to show you how to make coasters with newspaper. I wanted them bright and colorful. So let's get started. So we'll be needing quite a lot of these straws for this project. To see how I made these straws, click on the I button where I had shown you how to make this bowl. I want the size to be 12 centimeters. So I'm almost there. So it's 12 centimeters. So now I'll close this. I'm keeping these coasters at 12 centimeters. You can make them bigger or smaller as per your requirement. I made the other 5 earlier. Now to make it strong, I will give them all a Fevicol wash. I'll do the same procedure for the rest, and once this side dries, I will turn and do it on the other side as well. Both the sides are absolutely dry now after Fevicol wash, and it is nice and hard now. So now I'm going to use different colors on them, and then I plan to use different stencils with different designs. Now I'll let these dry, and on the other side I'll change the combination and let's see how it comes. I've done the same for the others. For this, I've changed the colors on the other side so that I get more color variations. You can leave it at this stage after using varnish, or you can do any freehand drawing on this. I'm going to use a stencil on these. I got these stencils from Itsy Bitsy. If you wish to shop with them, you can use my coupon code HILDA5 to get an extra 5% discount. Link I've given in the description box below. I've done the outline with acrylic. You can even use a ribbon if you wish. You can stick it with a hot glue gun. These are absolutely dry now, so now I'm going to varnish them. We can use any of this varnish. I'll go for gloss for this. I'll do the same for all the coasters and I'll give 2 coats of varnish. So this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Do like, share, subscribe. I'll come back with another interesting video. So then, bye-bye, take care, and I love you all.